Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class lecture 14. In this lecture we want to explain some basic rules of algebra. Let A, B and C be real numbers, variables or algebraic expressions. Here is property and here is the example of property. Here we want to introduce some property, some basic rule of algebra, which is very important in our future lectures. Property A plus B is equal to B plus A. If we change the plus of A and B in here in additive, it is both sides is equal. 4x plus x square is equal to x square plus 4x. Just we change it the plus of 4x and x square. A into B is equal to B into A. Commutative law holding addition and multiplication. 4 minus x into x square is equal to x square into 4 minus x. A plus B associative law, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. X plus 5 is plus x square is equal to x plus 5 plus x square. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Here means first we should find the sum of A and B, then we should find sum of C. With C we should add sum of A plus B to C. Here first we have to find the sum of B and C, then we add it with A. A plus B, first we have to multiply A by B, then the product of A and B multiplied by C. Here first we multiply B and C, then we multiply A by product of B and C. A plus B distributive law, A plus B into C is equal to A into C plus B into C. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Here is the law of commutative law of multiplication. 2x into 3y into 8 is equal to 2x into 3y into 8. Here distributive 3x into 5 plus 2x is equal to 3x into 5 plus 3x into 2x. 3x into 2x. Same. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. 4x into 2 plus y is equal to 4x into 2 plus 4x into y. A plus 0 is equal to 0. 5x squared plus 0 is equal to 5x x squared. A into 1 is equal to 1. We called 0 identity element under addition. 1 is identity element under multiplication. A into A is equal to A. 4x squared into A into 1 is equal to 4x squared. A plus minus A is equal to 0. Minus A is inverse of A under addition. It is equal to 0. 5x cube plus minus 5x cube is equal to 0. These two cancel. A into 1 by A is equal to 1. X squared plus 4 into x, 1 by x squared plus 4 is equal to 1. Minus 1 into A is equal to minus 1, minus A. Minus 1 into 7 is equal to minus 7. Minus minus A is equal to A. Minus minus x is equal to x. Minus A into B is equal to minus A into B is equal to A into minus B. Minus 5 into 3 is equal to minus 5 into 3. Is equal to 3 into minus 5. All of them are same. Minus A into minus B is equal to A into B. Minus 2x into minus 2 into minus x is equal to 2x. Minus A plus B is equal to minus A plus minus B. Minus x plus 8 is equal to minus x plus minus 8. It is equal to also, we can write minus x minus 8. If A is equal to B, then A plus C is equal to B plus C. If we write the example, 3 plus 3 is equal to 3. 3 minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 2. 2 5 is equal to 5. If two numbers are equal, then we can add, we can subtract, we can multiply both sides by same number. Also, we can divide both sides by same number. Or if we have a plus c is equal to b plus c, then we can write a equal to b. C by c cancel. Here is a plus 0 is equal to 0 and a minus 0 is equal to 0. A into multiplied by 0 it is equal to 0 and a divided by 0 is undefined. We cannot define a number or variable divided by 0. 0 plus a 0 divided by every number or variable is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. A into b is equal to 0, then a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0 or both. B is not 0, then a divided by 0 is equal to c divided by 0 if and only if a into b is equal to a into d is equal to b into c. Minus a by b is equal to 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 a over minus b, and minus a over minus b is equal to a over b. A over b is equal to a into c over b into c. We multiply both sides by c. C is not equal to 0. A by over b plus minus c over b is equal to a plus minus c over b. A over b into c over d is equal to ac over bd. A over b divided by c over d is equal to a over d into d over c. We write the opposite of c by d. Then we multiply both sides, numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. We get a into d is by over b into c. Here c should not be 0. It was the usual rules of algebra, which we will deal it with them in our lectures. Here also some rules. A into infinity is equal to infinity. A plus infinity is equal to infinity. A minus infinity is equal to minus infinity, and so on. Also, infinity power infinity is undefined. 0 to the power 0 is also undefined. But the most of basic algebraic rules are these things which we wrote here and explain it. Thank you.